Confused about which dishwasher suits your Indian kitchen best? Today, let's compare 5 premium 14-place setting dishwashers perfect for tackling kadhais, thalis, and everyday utensils. Today we are going to explore and compare the top 5 best dishwashers for Indian kitchens 2025. Bosch, IFB, LG, Electrolux and Faber. Bosch SMS6IKW01i. Bosch is known for reliability, and this model comes with intensive kadhai 70 degrees Celsius program, designed for tough Indian residues. You also get steam pre-treatment, Wi-Fi control, and an adjustable 3-stage upper rack plus glass protection for delicate items. Eco Silence Drive means it cleans super quietly, using only 9.5 liter water per cycle. Perfect if you want strong cleaning and long-term durability. IFB Neptune FX14. Next is IFB, specially engineered for Indian kitchens. This IFB packs deep clean tech with a 70-degree hot water wash and hygienic steam drying. The unique 360-degree rotating spray arms blast stubborn masala, ghee, and dried stains. Features like iron odor control, auto door open for faster dry, and flexi half load make it energy saving and convenient for all kinds of loads. If you want amazing cleaning with very hygienic drying, IFB is a strong choice. LG DFB 424FD. This is one of the quietest dishwashers in India. LG's True Steam and Quad Wash Tech target tough stains like burnt milk and oily thalis. This dishwasher is whisper quiet at 44 decibels, Wi-Fi enabled for app control, and has easily adjustable racks for kadhais. Its inverter direct drive makes it efficient and reliable for big Indian families. Great for families needing silent operation and premium finish. Electrolux Ultimate Care 700. At number 4, the Electrolux Ultimate Care. Premium European build. It uses satellite clean with 3 spray arms and an extra power option for super tough stains. The extra hygiene program kills 99.99% of bacteria and viruses, while Air Dry Tech gets your dishes cabinet ready quickly. It's eco-friendly, needing only 10.5 liters water per wash and minimal energy. Ideal if you want gentle yet efficient cleaning and energy savings. Faber FFSD 8PR14S. Finally, the best budget-friendly 14-place washer. Faber's 8 wash programs include intensive kadhai cleaning for Indian utensils, no pre-rinse needed. LED display, adjustable racks, 3D wash for tough stains, and child lock all add peace of mind. It's energy efficient and has great user satisfaction for handling sticky masala and food smells. It comes with 2-year warranty and 10-year cavity warranty. Perfect if you want premium cleaning without a high price tag. Let's check out the comparison table between each dishwasher to know about its features and specifications. To make your buying decision even better. Product links are displayed in description area, you may use it to buy. Your support means a lot. Hit that subscribe button to keep getting valuable product insights and buying tips. Each dishwasher brings something unique. Boss for ultimate glass care, IFB for robust Indian cleaning, LG for smart tech, Electrolux for hygiene, and Faber for hassle-free efficiency. Which one fits your kitchen? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more appliance guides.